Hi, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Nova Kujamat. You can call me Nova for short. I'm 36 years old, married, blessed with two kids, ages 18 years old and 8 years old. My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 64 kilograms. I am high school graduate. I have working experience here in Philippines for 7 years in 3 different employers. I can take care babies, kids, elderly, and pets. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, marketing, and cooking Filipino foods. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and follow recipe given my employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, hardworking, kind, and easy to follow instructions. Thank you and have a nice day.